Guys, today I'm going to take you through an introduction into the OrderOrbit restaurant management system from TechNovice. So basically, um, when you first launch the application, you'll be presented with this interface where you need to log in. You can either log in either by inputting your PIN, or you can either use a card. So to enter your PIN, all you need to do is you can just start 1, 2, 3. For system administrators, actually the password do changes based on your individual password. But for demonstration purpose, this is what we've got. So once you, as an administrator, you're able to see both the back office and the front office. Meanwhile, if you're just an employee, you're able to see only the front office. I mean, an employee on the front office. So that said, I'm going to take you through the front office just to give you an overview of what it looks like. So coming over to the front office, when you click on it, you'll be able to see these features. So we have the work period, we have the POS, we have the kitchen display, and we have reports, and then clock in and clock out time plus a log out. So the work period actually it's how you start and close your day. So for example, if in your business you start duty, let's say at 8 o'clock in the morning and close at 12 o'clock at midnight, then you want to start at 8 o'clock in the morning and then stop at you close the day at midnight. So usually, this is actually used to track a day's transaction or a transaction for a particular user, and a particular user was on duty. Then we have the POS system, which is actually where most of the work is being done. Then we have the kitchen display system, where the kitchen actually have access to some basic functionalities. They can update status and see orders from the kitchen display. Then we have reports, and we have the clock in, where you can actually key in the time when you came to duty and the time when you left after work, and then you can log out here. So basically, I'll just show you, this is the kitchen display. So usually you find a list of items or orders that people have made. Every 30 seconds it refreshes. So you have dining, you have takeaway, home delivery, and you as someone in the kitchen, or as maybe as the kitchen manager, you're able to switch tab and see what's actually happening in the various the orders that's coming in from the various inlets. Therefore, then we have the work period. As I earlier said, you have to start work period and end the work period at the end of the day. And we have, so this is how the work period will look like. So you start your work period at the beginning of the day, and by the end of the day, you need to end the work period. When you do end the work period, it generates a report. And then you have also the report. You can generate your work period report just like the one which I just mentioned earlier. So if I put this, I'll be able to view the work period report, which will all come up in a way that I can view and see the transactions that have happened over time. So that's it. Um, we also have the POS reports, which you can actually generate. These are various type of reports that you can actually see, which will help for accounting purposes. So then we have the clock in. So you can either see when you came to work and when you go out. This is to actually check your attendance. That's it. Then we have the logout feature, which allows you to log out of the system. And just getting back in, you click on that, then you have access to the system. While on the other side, you have printers here. You can see all kitchen printers and purity printers. You can find it all from here. You can refresh that. And you also have you can open the cashier desk from here once it is enabled. and then you can have a keyboard, and also you can minimize, and um, you can make it smaller from here, or you can minimize it down to taskbar. So that is basically what the system looks like as of now. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.